This gang is going to the Bay Beach to have some fun. Are we gonna swim underwater?
Yeah.
Woo!
Hopefully, have clear water. Hopefully, there's waves too. Yeah.
Yep.
Gio.
All right.
I'm a weirdo.
I'll see you guys when we get to the Bay Beach.
Ew, ew, ew. Wow. What?
It's muddy.
What? Yeah.
It's getting better.
To the next beach. All right, ready? Let's go. Let's go.
Wait. What the? Okay, hold on.
No. Everything. No. Let's go. Oh my God, boy. Okay. I'm fine. There's no. Don't worry. It's gonna start getting rocky.
Ah.
Take him down.